Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of limitless possibilities? Meet the XGODY Android 12 tablet, your gateway to a whole new level of digital experience. Picture this: a powerful 4-core Core Key, 6GB of RAM, and 120GB of storage, expandable up to a whopping 512GB. That's what the XGODY T10 Tablet brings to the table. It's your ticket to seamless performance and ample storage, making it perfect for your favorite books, songs, photos, and games. With its GM certification, this tablet is your entry to the world of Android 12. That's right, the latest and greatest in Android technology. You'll have a personalized, secure, and user-friendly experience that will leave you in awe. And guess what? The Google Play Store is your playground, with access to popular apps like Netflix, TikTok, YouTube, Line, Yahoo, Twitter, and so much more. Endless entertainment and connectivity are just a tap away. Feast your eyes on the 10-inch 1280x800 HEIU screen. It's a visual delight with a wide viewing angle that offers a perfect vision like never before. And with wireless projection support, you can easily connect to large-screen TVs for an even more immersive experience. Capture those precious moments with the 5MP front camera and an 80MP rear camera. Enhanced by the flash, you'll get stunning photos even in low light. Stay connected with the built-in noise-cancelling microphone, and with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, you're always in touch. Need to charge up? No worries. With the Type-C port, charging is a breeze. The XGODY T10 Tablet packs an 8,000 mAh battery, giving you up to 7 hours of video playback. It's ready for work, study, or leisure, and it's incredibly portable at just 530. Plus, check out that captivating new generation Night Extreme Green color scheme. It's sleek, stylish, and ready to impress. Oh, we're not done yet. With Bluetooth 4.2, enjoy high-fidelity sound quality with your headphones. And the camera isn't just for photos, it's perfect for video chats and more. Want to transfer content? With the USB-C cable, you can directly transfer U-Disk contents to the tablet's 128GB storage. It's convenience at your fingertip. This is the XGODY T10 Tablet, your key to a world of possibilities, packed with features you'll love. Whether you're a student, a professional, a beginner, or a designer, this tablet is designed to cater to your needs. It's time to elevate your digital experience with the XGODY T10 Tablet. Order yours today and open the door to limitless possibilities. Don't wait. Get your XGODY T10 Tablet now and embrace a world of endless possibilities.